Interacting with others. 7 tips to reduce the risk of spreading COVID-19. 1. Being outdoors. When meeting and interacting with someone outside of your household, being outdoors significantly lowers the risk of spread compared to being in an enclosed space. If you have to be indoors, then a large, well-ventilated space is preferable. 2. Social distancing. Keep 1 meter or more distance from others. 3. Avoid crowds. This will make it easier to socially distance from others. 4. Hand washing. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds after every time you touch a surface, as you should assume it's contaminated with the virus, or you can use hand sanitizer instead. 5. Face coverings. This is particularly important since there are times when it is not possible to maintain social distancing. By wearing a mask, you are protecting yourself as well as others from the risk of spreading COVID-19. 6. Short duration of contact. Typically, spending more than 15 minutes within 2 meters of an infected person, for example, talking to someone, increases the chance of spread. So if you cannot socially distance, try to keep the interaction short. 7. Stand side to side. Rather than standing or sitting opposite someone, try to stand or sit on their side, as this will reduce the spread of the virus, as any virus particles that might be traveling in the air from your mouths will be less likely to spread to one another. We hope you find these tips useful and stay safe.